It is officially summertime here on the farm, and there's lots and lots of hot weather moving through, which means work for us just got a whole lot harder. From taking care of lots of animals and keeping ourselves hydrated, farm work in the summertime is a big deal. And that's why in today's video, we are going to be showing y'all how we keep our farm up and running in almost 90-degree weather. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. Where do you wish you could be right now? Miss Mama here. That's weird. Good morning. It's really hot out. It's severely hot out. Let's put it that way. We're heading out to milk the cows right now, and we are gonna get our day started. Look at all the horses. Good morning, JB. Good morning, Gloria. Got bad babies. Also, another thing, if you guys notice, all of these stalls have been cleaned out, and my mom actually just pressure cleaned this whole barn, so all the floors and all the walls, everything's nice and clean. I think today or tomorrow we have to lime all these stalls and put brand new shavings in. We already put a little bit of lime down, but we're not done. All pressure cleaned. Good morning. Hello. Here comes the girls. They're coming down. Say good morning to the chickens eating all of our cow food. Hi, Aspen. Here we got Maddie. She's gonna feed the babies real quick because they are being rascals. Bring them on up. So our new thing is, before we bring the cart in and we set it up, we bring cows in and we hose them off since it's so hot outside. So I'm gonna bring them in and then we're gonna get started hosing them down. It's a great way to cool them off. Like adding everything in. I personally don't like the heat. I'd rather be stuck in cold weather. So we rinse the cows off 2 or 3 times a day, and then if it gets too hot, we will stall them because they cannot handle the heat. Okay, Madison is gonna go inside. She's gonna go milk the cows. I'm gonna head out to the pigs because I gotta give them water early in the morning because they're sitting out there in the sun with probably hot water, and we don't want that. So, you go in, you milk cow.
Yeah, and then I'll do Shorty after.
Yeah. My sisters are already out here. They're working on chickens and some of the other animals. They made sure everyone had water, but I gotta go make sure, like I said, the pigs have water. Because water is our #1 priority for these animals, first thing in the morning.
the pigs, I'm gonna go drop this off at the milk barn, and I'm gonna give it to my mom because she has my water, and we gotta switch and stay hydrated. So. Also, I did want to mention our neighbors did come with their tractors and their equipment, and they came and cut our fields, and they just tilled it yesterday. So it's all sitting out drying. Luckily we have them, or else that would not be done right now. Pippin! Girl. She's like, where is it? Where's the food? Here.
Did you hear the boom?
Yeah. How's it going, Maddie?
Good. We've been hosing them down because they're breathing really heavy.
Okay. I am done feeding all the little piggies. Now it is time to do everybody's water. This does take a while because I have multiple pools to fill. And I will tell you guys that these pools do not last them all day. We do have to come out in the middle of the day and check on them and fill waters again. But that goes for all the animals. So before I start, I'm gonna go check on the rabbits. Also at 3 o'clock every day, I do bring them out to their outside pen. So if you guys wonder why they're in those little cages, that's just because that's kind of like their home base. They gotta be in those at night so no animals and no predators get to them. A lot of you guys comment that. So let's go check on the rabbits, and then we're gonna start the pig water. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Now it gets so hot that even the rabbit water gets hot during the day. It's just crazy. That's how hot it is. So let's fill these with water. We're good to go. I'm gonna stick them in there. Zoe, do you want to grab me 2 pieces of lettuce for them? Thank you. Thank you. They're gonna like that. Also, as you guys can see, Ruthie is more of a white pig, okay? So on top of her, she kind of gets sunburnt right there. So since she's white and pigs kind of have like human skin almost, I have to go get some sunscreen and lather her up every day just so she won't turn into a tomato. While they're filling, I normally go and I feed horses and fill the troughs. So I'm gonna take you guys over there and we're gonna go check the horse and the cow troughs. Oh, JB, he is such a good looking steer. Hello. Good morning. What are we doing? You're not getting the food, you know. What is this? So, I did want to mention this automatic water trough automatically fills with water. It's in the name. And it stays cold, so this is just one waterer. We never have to check. It does need to be scrubbed out though, so that's on our to-do list. So I'm thinking I'm going to have to dump this one and scrub it out. And I already know I'm gonna have to dump the other one and scrub it out because I decided that yesterday. Here comes Maddie, all done with the cows. Whew, it's hot.
Oh yeah.
Have fun in the cold house.
I will. Excuse you, are you playing with the hose? What in the world? What in the world? Very nice. How are we doing? Whew. Girls, it's hot. So I've got one trough filling right now. I came back over to the pigs because I've got some waters still filling. And then I gotta do all the boys' waters over there. But while their water fills, I'm gonna run inside. I'm gonna grab some sunscreen for Ruthie. So I will be right back. Okay. Spread it all along. She mostly gets burnt right here, so she's good. You're good, Ruthie. Are you going in the pool again? Are you getting in the pool? Get in the pool. Go ahead. Say, why is Daddy locked up? I've been putting him in here with Otis just because it's been so hot out. He's not allowed to go get in the mud and then get on the porch, because then the porch will be all muddy and my mom will be like, no. So, Daddy Warbucks has to stay in here during this little heat wave. Look at those little teeth. Oh, they're so cute. So cute. Yes, Daddy. My last pig pool is filling, so all the pools are done for the morning. That doesn't mean they're done. They're just done for the morning. We're still gonna have to come out here during the day. But anyway, I am taking a break, enjoying this view, enjoying the shade. But yeah, I did want to mention we have a couple of fruit trees growing and our fig trees are growing. I'll go over and show you guys all those. We have peach, apple, pear, and yeah, I think that's it. And then, of course, our fig trees. But I'll definitely show you guys those. And our grapes are growing rapidly. Otis, don't annoy him. Let him stay. So these are our peach trees right here. We have all peach. And then behind the lake, right over there, we have a, I think that's a pear, and then the apple, and then another apple or another pear. I forget. But we have apple and pear trees back there. So that is pretty cool. We're hoping to get some fruit. I'm gonna water the fig trees just real quick. As y'all can see, they're growing very fast. They used to be all the way down here. But there we go. We are currently inside right now, just taking a bit of a break from the heat. But anyway, me and Maddie, we're gonna go outside, we're gonna go check the animals' water, and we're just gonna see how everyone's doing in this heat. I have Mr. Mouse with me. They're growing very fast. I mean, he's a big boy now. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, it is officially 4 o'clock, which means one of these bunnies can go out into their run. Now, we cannot put them together because we don't want no baby bunnies. So, we got Miss Mama here, Miss Mama Silver. She's actually going to be giving us baby bunnies soon.
When we're ready.
Yes, when we're ready. She's so fluffy. Be free, buddy!
And she'll have at least 3 hours out here to just run around. Okay, we're gonna go check the chickens' water and then we're gonna go to the troughs real quick. So, let's go check the chickens.
You're all cuddled under there.
Whew. Hello, girls. Just forgot about that. Is it hot? It's in the shade, so.
Buff boy.
He's bleeding. I'm gonna fight, probably. Alright. Why are we stuffed in here? We've got 2 chickens on top.
How bad they're breathing.
Girls.
What a beautiful egg. You did it.
Here.
Imbecile.
Where are we gonna put all these eggs?
Ow! Don't peck me.
Yeah. Okay, we're all
Don't
hot.
blame on the feathers they got on. Hope they don't really.
Okay, we got the egg basket. There was no way we were gonna carry that many eggs.
Never mind about what I said on Mom's bed.
Oh yeah.
You.
Don't hide them from me.
Is this Coco Melon? You need to kindly take away the eggs. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Are you like on the black pavement?
Yeah. All right, let's head over to the troughs. I'm afraid our camera will overheat. But we're gonna go check the little baby meat chicks next. I don't know if calling them meat chicks is kind of sounds weird. All right.
Like,
They are just so cute. For now.
chickies. And I asked.
Oh.
Oh.
They like to go on my shoes for some reason. Ow! They're little bullies. Oh no! Did we dirty our water already? Oh, y'all just splashed me. Hello, hello. Alright, looks like we got some water to fill. I know you need water, I know it. I am gonna fall. There you go. That's one way to do it. she needs me to pull. After this, we'll go check on the cows.
While driving.
Oh.
You have to drop off the eggs.
Get me a race car. Look at these pretty eggs. They're gorgeous. Oh, wow. Wow. Hello, ladies. How are we doing? Yeah, Maple's breathing pretty heavy. They're all breathing heavy. Floret's not even breathing that heavy. They're breathing pretty heavy. Yeah. Hi, Mamacita. Hi. Hello, Gloria. Hi. Look at those big fluffy ears. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Mama. So pretty.
They'll be okay. There's a light breeze going. They're in the shade, and if they drink water. Her face is like so much bigger than mine. It's like
Okay, I think we're having a love session here.
Oh, Elias. Oh my goodness. She's loving that. What is going on here?
This is our love session. Where do you wish you could be right now? In a pool.
I'm thinking about firing her. We're firing you. You take like 2 hours to open a gate. So while Devin is finishing filling the pig pools and all that, I'm gonna go and check on the baby calves. What are you girls doing? Huh? We getting out of the sun? How are we girls doing? They're chilling in here. I know, it's hot. I'm sorry. Alright, well, they're doing good. Here you go. So the calves are all good. They're staying in that little barn. They can come out freely, but they want to go in there because the fan's running. So yes, we're going to go back over to Devin and see her progress with the pig pools.
Daddy, what was that? Did you see him?
4.6 is for. Oh, and she's a pig now.
Oh, that feels so good. Oh.
That face. I can't. Alright, go ahead. Put it back. Hurry, here comes Swain. Oh, he says that feels nice. Too short to zoot.
Daddy, stop! Our last pig pool is filling for the day. Tonight we're probably gonna come back out and still have to fill pools. But overall, everyone is doing great. We're kind of losing it in this heat. Stop!
Yeah.
Tomorrow is gonna be the same thing. We're gonna have to do this over again. Anyway, we are going to end the video here because there's not much else to do but keep checking on everybody. We just wanted to show you guys what taking care of tons of animals during the heat looks like.
Yes.
Whether you do it, whether you may not, this is how we do it.
Yep.
So, we hope you guys enjoyed. We're all hot and sweaty. We're ready to go jump in the horse trough.
Yep.
We will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.
Bye.